The court of law imam proof natiko nyinom kaito fele Fature to be executive list or corner. Or Fature is appointed as ambassador. You didn't bring my ambassador appointment letter. Court yalla case of file letter.
Okay. Ngela kumojele.
Yeah.
Let me say first.
It's either UDP is not doesn't have the good lawyers or the judiciary has
just hold tap fem for the judiciary makadu kan respect le.
Yeah.
Man agree il additional la.
Yeah.
But nge respect.
Yeah.
It come for iko man kite evidence bondi.
Yeah.
Kaitandi kavoko nyembenye executive letter. Come more bondi. Man any evidence bondi or kaita bondi. Kaitandi kavoko Dembo mu national president of NPP leti.
Yeah.
Man kaita bondi.
No bondi.
All of them. Kaf Henry Gomez, Mutalam leader of GPDPT, man kaita bondi. But record on the Kafoko, ye positional hold. Kaf Henry Gomez, leader of their party. And you'll bear your various positions on the for your whole political office, you know, it's not all that.
I know.
He relied on a video Mel Bondi.
Yeah.
And it was the same video na Mel Bondi, Fatmata Jahumpa, Rambo, not Sectijan Hydra, not Sectijan Hydra, Rambo, and
Lamin Boja.
No, Lamin Boja Fanano. Niajan na ma Bondi Walto, Wolko, to more men. Ye palaso dinna kabila palaso dinna nyamendro na politique palaso membambulu ngo sayindile so natara ka foko politique palace table no e be mun sayindila adi ko following my appointment I resigned resigned from what yalong come for Jojo lu lafta ke respect ba ke bari nying ngamira inyal sawunta kulo dol lale kabri be nyakatol jube ka Fatmata Jahumpa fankele present bakso kafu ko my excellency ila congress no and in fact the advisors fanko Chief Justice may lead judgment safeja ako nyinglu yama moli yela call either ifangli la call for or moli yela call for kafko palace wal memuta Fatma Jahumpa sister palace obviously Bakso ya fenkere Rambo la interview in fact on this medium
it was
I have my account
interview
I have my account I have to introduce nyame yeah, inyabo bela kafoko ima evidence na kafoko nyimbe executive letter. Fa dukare fa no wine anga kuma kotem fo. Anga kuma kotem fo. So te boja ning fanka ko. Kabri ya palaso dinat mo men resign ta na palaso to na palaso me po resign tale. Bar jojo ay mune fo ako ko roles ko leaders roles. Ndanga melong role you cease to perform roles. Positions you resign from positions. And of course, memfana nat na jakara ko ferje me ya na ka ko APRC marlo ki nyimban ko kane. Amen, really Fatu. You don't have to be a lawyer. So ni mol ka ko ha ni lawyer balu, you know. Come on. Judgment ni really. No, I'm sure ka judgment da ket mo men nga lawyer din jama la comment je bar nak tete o comment si fa kala ka killing na eja diba fula na position in the community kuma to niya fo aka malaf in the first place malaf momo le jutu na Gambia jojo fenna so because of that nak modo yalo fat nana mamoy ko Badim boy. Kitio. constitutional badi mboy nana mamoy ko non suit so nadi ate ko dan ko sisa lo sama roke ko tanke but why would I do that because New York ba mi raka ko ibe which hunting ibe wula kam molde no
yeah
then that has never been intela position intelu ko Gambia marlo nyata sala Gambia nyame olon tela position ti mantra mo bayindi kan ni mo bayindolo tanunu da foko ka suit file again but no ntokela kadu ko niko ko evidence niko evidence man soto kadu ko non suit wala ni do ma evidence di o ni evidence me da ni do me evidence mo entitled to judgment but ko nga IEC samba case ko court moment on Bishop Jalwa Jansen e ko evidence man soto
yeah
so because of evidence man soto but the removal of Bishop Jalwa Jansen it a declared unconstitutional nyin do fala nyan to le fala gaf ko ba ma evidence na tinye ka ko nyin de goto nte nyin declare wala ka ko la appointment nyin ta declare wala ka ko is unconstitutional is nyan to ko le fa bar ka ko no yeah ba so non suit so that sita ni mela yeta kito la ko teki
mune ya sabu I mean I debate nati a lot more la mira lo karola ko look it's either kuflalom it's either UDP is not doing things right way
we did our
or
look Fatu but fem yala I mean how many months later
because
how many months later janibe judgment kala Fatu wala bi you know e ka fo nyaadile you know kebabu ka kurto bondi toni kensela I don't go to court ninkuti je never will never
but
do
muna na yamira you guys getting this kind of judgments
ngamen foi in the first place it have a notorious fact ni jojo ko APRC kafko APRC manyambanko mara 1996 to 2016 ifana ni jojo for I mean people just said what is this what is he saying it a practice under that regime janto ye mol defend
because
no ye mol defend ya moy ye mol defend janto ya moy hanna tra kafko ibe banta ikamo ile election okete la banko kan eko ya jamele ganyeta APRC ya it has nana fanya kafoko APRC APRC patriotic wani evidence about that those notorious facts hani fado moyo kuma kotemfo
so in the suit in the ruling when it came to the ambassadors eko evident man so the alma evident tandiko but when it comes to the advisors
that's the contradiction
when it comes to the advisors
that is the contradiction
when covering ambassador la ruling nata okay but covering advisors ol nata force na report mimbe information I force no min dina ko nyoko nyindo ko they can confirm ko mu you know
absolutely.
But you know
and what was the
it
evidence
came out ko all the same evidence dale min di jangale wol di jang
absolutely so that's a contradiction
like,
that's self-contradiction that's self-contradiction but even more importantly fatu ko yinyasa unta kulol lala bojanko yama bari kabri yang appoint kanke attaché military attaché na palaso me yalo ka bembol ngo saile so am lot moment na ibe kala military attaché ibe politique palaso to secretary jan fana ko ka resign tali as leader so mo ibe resign limit adu ngof from Fatmata Jahon Pasisi fana resignation Mr. Amulu Nyas spokesperson for APRC all in from in the standard newspaper we standard it and in fact mba argue kan for kombe alternative argument kala on that chief justice fan konya ko bari for do members of any standard newspaper to for man ka ku sotrinde ba ka of course ka ku sotrinde what ba ngana ko moda jedo what are you resigning from a position in a political party but na join na ko role I mean, leader is not a role. Leader is a position. People cease to perform roles, but you don't resign from roles. So, Melbeka and Kumalfa, near Fonkonye, you document ya read properly, ya read properly, then ibe conclude ka fokani menko UDP ta UDP intel nyanta menkela ngokele. Maybe ital manya menkela, maybe molke. The advisors nyol ta fine. So maybe sabu kafko is the issue of public servant and public office. You know, and that is an issue of interpret nyame.
Do you feel that the court is deliberately luring against your party?
No, I wouldn't say deliberately luring against our party, but I say that I do not agree with it because in public office and public, the whole underlying philosophy of it is that people in the service of the government, whether appointed by the president or otherwise, political neutrality is what is expected. Come on. Say Kumbalo, paying him from the
consolidated fund.
From the consolidated fund. Yeah? Propaganda for NPP. Is that the underlying philosophy of our constitution? No, it cannot be. Is that the spirit of our constitution? That you can employ people? Now any rogue president can stuff the civil service with appointees under Section 80 of the Constitution. Any rogue president can do it. Ela political function yeta yes stuff yeta and be jo la mansa kunda kodola e be party do kolele. That is not the spirit of our Constitution. Whether you are public servant or civil servant or public officer, the all function, because public officers, every civil servant is a public officer, yes. But then it's the neutrality of the public service. Must be politically neutral. You cannot stop that. So nimmel kafo well maybe na call farm nyal mange kilindi and really maybe time will come ka judges not ka judgment not kele. And then time can I kafo ko na nyindi sononyi ngakele nombare rontale they can reverse it akakele these particular civil officers in review application okay but ning kombo fenkel amulan kaf ko mo bayndo anu ntelbe menkeka Gambia la na fada manka UDP la na fada what does UDP stand to gain from it except kaf and you go to the history books in the law report ibata la jetole Kafko UDP and stand letter to vindicate and enforce the Constitution. That is the only pride we have in it, and nothing else. It's nothing personal. If it was something personal, we would have gone for a review and would have shown out all these flaws. Would have shown out all these flaws. Bara manjarala.
Yeah.
So Nimmel left yeta and President Adama Barrow. Natara, and this seriously speaking. An honorable attorney general natara alkata molleti nali ankafoko bankola constitution ni aliya bunyale adu aliya long cut kafoko all these ambassadors nyolo they all will be a position in their political parties at time of their appointment and nyanta step talale to relieve them from their appointment so that you are in community with the Constitution. Barnal moke wala nyele ka ko duwalinga ko ne don katinya nimmel lafta ko de ina sama roke who I don't know Malon who has the guts, and I'm saying this, I don't know who has the guts kafka bitala court to ambassadors nyol kela appointment challenge. I hope somebody has the guts as UDP has, until we don't just make political statements. Ningaje ngafo imam kufangije nke samba kotle na better jet na ma better jet I challenge all those people for member keka is not right. If you feel it's not right, take the matter to court.
So Mole Milo, I remember when we were doing your documentary, when you go to the law books, is in our jurisprudence, when one person told us there are so much reference to what UDP and you have done to challenge the laws, because in 22 years, most of the time, because Nalman Kuno politically, because of the way things were, you were always trying to challenge it in the courts.
And we have succeeded in building the jurisprudence of this country.
Yeah.
Which is a great pride. Which is a great pride to me and my people.
Are you getting frustrated with this kind of rulings? Will you get frustrated, or FAR will continue to always challenge things?
No, I don't get frustrated, because I find these as challenges. And the challenges murundi cover. You know, the tougher the challenge, the more pushful I become. Like now commentator Dome, the governor's cases, also misunderstand a misconception. You see, I will not tell you here, Menkata, because Menkata nga for chambers le, and I was happy ka kaketa chambers. Kaduko malla fingalo in the public. Kakumo dole for about judicial officers. But what I am menke, I also wrote to the Chief Justice protesting. I wrote to the Chief Justice protesting. Kadu case ning ya adjourn leno to October 14th, 2023. Few days after, Minister of Justice Modo, they wrote to the judge. The case ni left are not forward.
Wow.
So the case ni are not, case ni are not for the I'm sorry. Ka continue. Case ni is adjourned to October. In the first place, case ni adjourned. Not Ranyanta Nala Fanang. It should be through judicial process. A file a motion. You have a call left in a case ning. You are not, you have bring forward. Both parties have, but your application or your grant.
Without the other party.
Even without even hearing the other party. You know? What I can do, Nakumo for Jojo in chambers. It's a high level in chambers damane. Dalilo can ne in open court, and Natakala Kav at the Lala Koban and Metsla Lala, but Malafi Molia Aje in a light mail of Kafako, as Kajutuna. I don't. I case ning. I strike out. What the case Mayaloko was before her. Mata Mayaloko was before her. It's a motion.
Yeah.
Not the entire suit. We have appealed against those things. Again, maybe we don't mistake quality Jojo La Carola. Maybe market town teyate, but it's wrong. So when men wrong tajeto, mba trial atilindi. You know. Court of Appeal. Because all I know is that the order of the day is motions, mention, motions, and so forth. The suit was not before her. It was the motion. It was the motion. So she couldn't have struck out the motion. She could not have struck out the suit. Because that was not before her. That was not before. And motion, all the arguments were filed. So at best, Ninto continue sa okay ba ko itina tela kunta yala bande ben na ruling kala on the basis of arguments you milk. And then it's a decide no against me on the basis of Bruce Nyan but no ngamira ka fanya wo kez mo patati kandirang lati. So ngako bad nya ay bombol but aya jolo nya wala manyinya. Yeah. So I just want some commentators, UDP, I said I wasn't going to court. I told her that I'm not going to. I'm not coming. You have granted this application without consulting me. I don't know. So I'm not coming. Okay.